nobody else sitting it like that. Before that, tryna baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home.
Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Sincerely.A.Lucy, and today I have my daughters Bella and Bree, and they brought this to me and they wanted to do it, and I wanted to do it for you all. So it's called the
jalapeno takis and cream cheese.
okay, so what we do, we just it's jalapenos, takis, and cream cheese, and we eat the whole thing. Do we drink anything? Do they drink something? All right, so it's hot. I smell it. All right, so please subscribe, share, and like. I don't know what we're doing, but we're just gonna do it. Hey, Precious Cargo, let's go.
Okay.
Thumbnail. Hold it up, Ari. And just bite it.
Which end?
Lord, bless the food that we're about to receive, making us to talk about it. In your name, Jesus, I pray. Amen. Lord, help me. Why am I doing this? Let's go.
Okay.
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 What? No. Why you want to eat from that end? Okay. 1,
Okay.
2, 3. It's good.
I get the concept. I do.
I put a lot in mine.
It's hot. Then it crunch. It's different. And then the cheese. I was told to add some more cheese.
You want my cheese?
I could eat this with some wings. I like the crunch. I like the cream. I like the spice.
It's not just like that. It's good.
Look at that. Yeah, you want a bite?
It's good. It's not that hot either.
It's not. Try to taste it.
You can like a pepper or tacos. I think it'll be good with tacos.
I feel that
Is it
burn.
for the flavor, or if it's not hot, or just
I think it's just a texture thing.
the taste?
That's a lot of chewing.
The seasons would make it hot.
That's all I wanted my
That's
season.
about a season.
I don't know how to feel now.
How you feeling?
Good. It's not as spicy.
How you feeling?
It's not that hot. At the end. I don't know, some seeds.
All right, who we gonna challenge to do this? It's takis, cream cheese, and fresh jalapenos. I challenge Official D Spot. Official D Spot will challenge you. You can do this with somebody or by yourself. Just get the whole thing. And how many minutes we did it. That's how many minutes the challenge is gonna be. Carter's eat.
My tongue.
Carter's eat. I challenge you. Sister Fifi Tyson, I challenge you. Short Bus Pull Up, I challenge you. The Lady Nicole, I challenge you. Swag Life TV, I challenge you.
You ain't cover. You gotta win. Woo! What's up with it?
Accused World, I challenge you. Who else?
I'm going.
Who else?
My ears. I need some to drink.
Oh, y'all got some drink? I ain't got no drink. Y'all don't want that one?
Ah!
Give me some more TAKIS.
It's my throat. This my throat. Supposed to feel tight. Do your throat feel tight?
She's crying. It's okay. Good job. You won.
That's it. That's all. If you want to do it, I challenge you. BHAM TV, I challenge you. Candy Girl, Candyland, Kendra Giles, I challenge you. Shay Dimes, ASMR, I challenge you.
Good.
So the challenge is to eat the TAKIS cream cheese and jalapeno. A whole one, a fresh jalapeno. A whole one. How many minutes did we eat that? In 3 minutes? Don't drink nothing. You know what we should have added in there? For the last bite. I mixed that with some mixed it with some of the cream cheese.
Oh, we gotta do it again.
No, we ain't gonna do it again.
Not today.
Get this. Okay. I'm back. I think Lucy coming back. DMV Zion and Diva, I challenge you. The Road Trip Rant, I challenge you. Fifi, I don't know if you'll eat this, but I challenge you too. I'm not gonna do my mukbang. And she still hadn't drank anything. Be careful with that stuff.
I see. Nuh-uh. Girl.
I don't see you. Don't worry about it. Well, I wouldn't want to touch that eating and forget it. All right, y'all. What's my nose running? I'm sorry.
I'm good.
How are you? I'm good. My nose running. Okay, we're gonna end this video. That's it, and that's all. How you feeling? How you feeling? We're gonna throw this back at y'all until we turn this until we turn on this camera. Hit that red button with the window that separates us. We love you, we care about you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Sincerely.A.Lucy and her girls.
Subscribe.
Until next time. I don't know if I'm doing my mukbang today. If you want to do this, then I call your name because it's hot and in my stomach. We'll see. All right, if I don't do my mukbang today, I do it tomorrow. Y'all get these videos. They'll roll out. All right. Your girl Lucy, and I'm out.
You don't want nobody else sitting it like that. Before that, I'm tryna feel baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't